Meet Jim. Jim's an entrepreneur looking for a fast and easy way to sell his products online. A number of his friends who have been doubling their sales tell him about this new way of selling online called PayKickstart. So he goes ahead and signs up for their free trial, and within seconds, he's inside his account. First, he starts by creating a new campaign, uploading his logo, choosing a language, currency, and adding his support details, which are all used to customize the checkout experience for his customers and build his brand. Then he connects his payment gateways, so customers can easily purchase his products using a variety of different payment methods like PayPal and credit card. He also enables the affiliate program so he can build an army of affiliate partners who will promote and send traffic to his products. Jim sets a commission percentage that each affiliate will earn when they refer a sale. After setting up a campaign, he starts adding different products that will make up his sales funnel. Here, he will add and customize each product. For his front-end offer, he sells a digital training program. Jim sells this program for a one-time purchase of $197. He also decides to offer a payment plan option where customers have the option to purchase in 3 installments of $77 spread out equally, 30 days apart. Then, he chooses from a variety of high-converting and completely customizable checkout page designs, pop-up widgets, and checkout form embeds to allow his customers to pay for his program. At the point of sale, Jim requires that each customer be registered for an upcoming bonus webinar, get added and tagged in his email autoresponder, have their membership created with the correct access level, and also cookied for a Facebook retargeting campaign. All of this is done by Jim in a couple of clicks by connecting the third-party services he already uses and loves. He adds another product to the campaign that will be his first upsell. It's a desktop software that complements his main training program. He flips on the licensing option inside PayKickstart to secure his software and issues unique license keys to each customer. He also decides to offer a 30-day free trial that rolls into a $27 per month plan until the customer decides to cancel. Then, he adds his last upsell, a set of 12 physical packages the customer will receive in the mail over the next 12 months. This offer includes a payment of $50 per month every month for 12 months. He also enables the ability to capture shipping details and tax while integrating with his fulfillment company, who will automatically receive the shipping details and send out the package upon purchase. Jim also has a partner, David, that he teamed up with to sell his final upsell. He goes in and creates a revenue sharing contract, telling PayKickstart to send David 50% of the net revenue generated from this product. Now, on to the final step. Jim sets up his sales funnel using the visual funnel builder, simply selecting his front end and upsell sales path. Once his sales funnel is in place, he grabs each of the checkout page URLs and puts them on his sales pages. Jim is ready to sell. But before he starts promoting his new offer, he first goes in and adds a bunch of marketing materials that his affiliate partners can use to help promote the offer. He adds banners and email swipes that are customized for each affiliate with their unique tracking link, making it copy and paste simple for his partners to promote. He also decides to set up a sales contest for 1 week that PayKickstart automatically updates, helping to incentivize his affiliates to promote hard for him during launch. Speaking of incentivizing people, Jim had a great idea. I should give new customers a time-sensitive discount coupon for the first day of my launch. So, in a few seconds, he quickly creates a 20% off coupon for his front-end product that will automatically expire after 1 day. He emails his affiliates to request to promote, get their tracking link and marketing materials. As affiliate requests start coming in, Jim can approve or deny each request instantly. Okay, it's time for Jim to open the traffic gates. The offer is now live. As he starts to generate new customers, he can see the transactions coming in real time. Being able to view detailed information about each sale, easily being able to manage one-time transactions, subscriptions, license keys, referred affiliates, and more. Meanwhile, Jim, his partner David, and his affiliates start to get email and mobile notifications for sales and referral commissions, seeing the revenue automatically getting distributed between everyone in real time. After a few hours, Jim and his partner noticed that many customers were requesting the digital version his physical package upsell as well. They decide to quickly add a new product and create an order bump of an additional $10 a month to that offer, allowing customers to now add the digital version with just 1 click. Speaking of 1 click, Jim and his partner are loving the fact that once a customer has entered their billing details for the initial order, how with literally one click, a customer can now purchase any or all of the upsells in his sales funnel without having to enter their billing details again. After a few months go by, the subscription rebills start rolling in. However, Jim knows from experience that some of those rebills may fail, yet Jim sits back and relaxes, knowing PayKickstart will send a subscription saver email sequence on Jim's behalf, reminding the customer to update their billing details in order to continue with their subscription. Best of all, Jim is happy to be able to run his business efficiently without ever having to pay a single per transaction fee to PayKickstart when he makes a sale, or having to pay for expensive designers or developers. Jim can sit back, relax, and watch his business thrive with PayKickstart. Join Jim with hundreds of others and start selling more in minutes. Sell digital and physical products, 0 transaction fees when you make a sale, one-click upsells, beautifully customizable checkout pages, visual sales funnel builder, instantly integrate with your favorite email, webinar, and membership services, complete control of your affiliates, free mobile app, and so much more. You too can get started for free today using the fastest and easiest way to sell online. Sign up and start making more money for your business today.